Hey guys, Pretzel here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be unboxing the Neca Ultimate Lost Armored Predator. Hopefully, I say that because last time I tried to open the Neca Ultimate Lost Armored Predator, ended up not being that figure. It ended up being the Neca Fugitive Predator. But I did send that one back, and they did send me another one. So hopefully that this will actually be the figure that I bought. The box is a bit damaged. Not as near as damaged as the previous box was. But that still is a thing. Let's just hope it's the right figure. And we have the infamous wrapping paper. I'm not going to look at it. You guys are going to know first before I even know. And it's definitely a figure. The head's a bit turned there, but that's fine. Freaking finally, after so long, I finally have the Lost Armored Predator. I'm so excited right now. The box looks really cool. I didn't know that it was going to have this like shiny effect going on here. But it is, you know, the classic kind of glossy feel to it. Though, like I've said in previous videos, the artwork is a bit odd, but I think it's pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. And then we have some this stuff on the back. I'll try to, so it's not glary. If you want to read it. If it's not backwards, I don't know if it's going to be backwards for you guys. I know it's backwards for me. So now let's 100% open this. It smells like new figure. I like it. Let's do a second. We have this little background kind of thing. Maybe I'll put that up over here with all my other Predator figures. Maybe, maybe not. What's this? Oh, this is like instructions for the LED mask. Fix the Predator's head. I got my nail clippers to clip the stuff. Whoa. The hand isn't even... Here's one of the hands. The hands aren't even tied down, I guess you could call it, with tape. So, that's the thing. Pop those out. Come on, pop it. That one went flying. Whoa. Get that out. The sword. That's a long sword. Nice. And we'll pull out the mast head. The dreads are a bit folded or like caved in a little bit, so try to have to heat that up. And well, maybe I won't, because since this is LED, I don't want to like mess up the lights. And then we got a thing right here that tells you where you can pop off the helmet to activate the LED. I would imagine that's batteries not included, but I do have some extra LED lights from previous needs of LED lights, so yeah. Then we have the roaring face. Man, this looks amazing. The eyes are looking pretty awesome. I reckon I can just peel the tape off for this one. We have a throwing disc. I don't usually use the throwing discs for anything. Like, I usually just have them in my, what do you call it? My box of accessories, I guess you could say. There's that. I gotta get this one, this last one, see if I can get it with. There we go. And there's the predate hole. Ow, his fingernails are sharp. Yeah, this is plasma cannon. I wonder if that comes off. If not, that's pretty cool. But I don't know, it doesn't necessarily bother me. Let's get the sword in here. The sword is going in there pretty tight. Come on. I think that's as far as it goes, so that's pretty cool. First impressions, looks amazing. The details are looking fantastic. I'm seeing some detail issue on the back leg for the right leg, or the left leg, not right. The left leg and the back of it is looking a bit odd, but I'll get more into that in the review. But yeah, the armor feels pretty thin, or not thin, I guess you could say a better plastic that won't mess with the articulation. But I will need to heat this guy up so I can move him around and, you know, not try to force it and end up breaking his joints. That would be very upsetting. But yep. Finally got my lost armored predator. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for the review whenever that'll be. I will have fun with this guy, and yeah, see you next time.